Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa, and today I want to do a folio walkthrough. This was during our quick and easy folio series. We done style number 5, and it was this one right here. A sec, I'm grabbing it. This one right here. Well, over on my Facebook page, I took this one a step further and added more things to it. And I want to do a walkthrough of it. And plus, as a gift for those of you that purchased the Quick and Easy Folio series, I will be adding this to this tutorial. So you're going to get 7 folios. And right now we're still working on, we've got style number 6 to do yet, and it's coming. But I will be adding this to the tutorial. And right now I do have this tutorial discounted. I think it's $12.99 until we finish folio number 6, and then it will go back up to regular price. So I'm sorry if you're watching this, for a year from now and it's not discounted anymore. But right now, while it's discounted, I am going to be throwing this one in there as well. Okay, just as a thank you gift. Yep. All right. So it measures the same. It measures 8.5 by 9.5. And there's the back of it. And I used the Michael Recollections paper pad from this year to decorate this. So I just have a ribbon closure here with some cording. Twine, I guess, is what you should call it. And I have this little spell book. Look at this. So it flips open. And I used gift wrap paper. Just like I bought this at Walmart. And it's just brown gift wrap paper is all it is. And I made me a little spell book. So it has a little pocket here. And it has a little tuck spot here. I got a little sticker happy. And I just tied it with some twine. And I want to get on the internet and find some sayings to put in here. For spookiness, spells. And this has a little pocket here. And then that. And that all sits right inside this pocket that I created right here on the front. And it just slides right back in there. I just love the little spell book on top. I just think that is so sweet. I love it. All right. So you open this up. And here, just some tied twine closure. Can't talk this morning. Then this opens up, and that opens up. Beautiful. So yeah, this is a play off of, like I said, folio style number 5. And I did teach how to make this over on my Facebook page. But if you purchase the Quick and Easy tutorial series, I will be putting this one in there as well, just in case you want to make this one. All right. Look at that paper. Oh, love it. And again, this is made with 110-pound cardstock. And then I backed it with the black and then another color. The elements inside are made with 65-pound weight cardstock. So look at that. And here you have a waterfall. And I used copy paper and just used my distress ink to get that look. And then I used the torn rulers that you can purchase. And I will put the link down below for the gift wrap paper and these tear rulers that you can pick up on Amazon. If you go through my link, I do earn a small percentage. It just helps support my channel. But I will put those links down below for you. And then I didn't decorate the rest. I wanted to save it for the photos. And then here you have a pocket. It turned out so cute. So cute. And over here, we have another pocket here. And I did increase the spine on the cutting guide too, okay? Because I noticed it got a little bit chunky. And a pocket here. And a pocket up here. And then I just use my punch. It's an EK Success punch. Okay. And then that's what created this. And this over here. So this flips. And then this flips open. Beautiful. And then this flips open. And you have a pocket inside of here. Okay. So that is my spooky Halloween folio. And it does have the little spell book. And you will get the I'll put the Facebook Live classes inside the tutorial in the cutting guide. So those of you that did purchase the tutorial, you will have access to this. All right. And this just ties shut. I didn't have any black ribbon, but I wanted black, so I added the twine to it. But oh, very cute, very cute. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you want to go purchase the tutorial, I'll put the link down below. And other than that, you guys have a great day, and we'll be talking to you guys soon. As always, keep scrapping. Bye bye.